Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks?
Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again.
You tried.
Okay, I know what you say. I just can't speak.
So how do you think we're gonna take this off?
With a lot of makeup wipes.
No.
How?
Makeup wipes are bad for the environment. We use these. Which one do you want? Pink or...
Pink.
Okay.
It's moist.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand right now. Hand. No. Right on the hand, like that. Yes.
Great.
What
It
is
doesn't feel great.
No.
I don't like it.
Why not?
I don't know.
Do we look scary? No. Beauty right here. Now we take these and then you just like that. Yeah.
Magic.
Just keep going. Just keep. Don't stop.
I
Yeah.
don't like this.
Right. We're just almost done taking. My sleep paralysis demon. Is that you? We're all clean now. Well, hello, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is, and it is time to take this off again. It is currently 2:06 a.m. Yes, I met the New Year's like this, and it was wonderful. And I have come to the conclusion that if I don't take this off now, then I never will. So I gotta do it now. I'm gonna start with the lashes, because it's the easiest thing I can do. Ooh. Now let's do the gems. Oh, that's a lot of glitter. Ow. It's kind of attached to the rest of the glitter. That's pretty nice. Okay, that got in my hair just a little bit. We're not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna... Ow. Hair is overrated anyways. Forgot these. There's not enough time. Happy New Year.
Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again.
I can talk again, oh my god. That was literally the quietest intro I've ever done in my entire life. Hi, how's it going? I was so happy with this makeup. It took me so much willpower just to take this little part off. But let's just keep taking the rest of it off. I really like how these buttons look, like I can see through these little holes. I literally didn't talk for an hour and I already forgot how to speak. But the small pieces are done, let's do the big ones. The carrot nose. Ah! Sis really popped off there, huh? Alright, now the eyes. Can I, take the button out? I can! Why is this scarier than the original look? Oh my god. Okay, now I gotta take this off without ripping my skin. Ah! This. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm pretty happy with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off, but I'm tired and it needs to be done, so let's do it. I had to rip this thing off like 5 times for the video already, but I'll do it again, just for you. Because I had to rip it off like a lot of times, there's still like latex on my face. And blood in my teeth. But I'm gonna rip off the smile first. Ow. The reason I'm using tweezers is to not get my hands dirty. Now I'm gonna see if I can rip these parts off. Ooh. Never mind, it's not worth it. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And once again, I am not terrifying. Beautiful, thank you. Okay, I took most of it off. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the ear in the shower. I won't forget it this time. But you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course you know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I really don't want to take it off. I like being a little emoji demon. And I also know that this is gonna stain my skin real bad. But oh well, let's do it. Starting with the horns. That was easy. Now this one. It got in my hair a little bit, but not too much. And now the smile. Okay, wait, I can't find an edge. Okay, there we go. Don't I look just lovely right now? We don't need the lashes. If you guys have monsters in your closet, just let me know. I'll come scare them away for you. Okay, let's see how badly my skin is stained. Oh no, okay, wait. Help. I've been washing my face for 20 minutes and this is the best I can do. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding ding ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean. Hey there, you little freaks. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Yeah. I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. This feels so good. Also, this is kind of random, but I dyed my eyebrows. So like, I can wake up and just go on about my day with my eyebrows being done. Like what? But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day today. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is the last look I'm doing for the emoji series. Yeah. This eyelash is already kind of falling off, so I'm just gonna take that off. And I can't just have one eyelash on, so I'll just take the other one off too. Now the hearts. Bloody. Okay, wait. Ah, nice. Let's do this one here. And now this big boy. I made this one too big, so it started folding. But it's gotta go. Contacts are out. I'm pretty much clean. My neck is slightly stained, but it's fine. And y'all have an amazing day today. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you know it. It is time to take this off again. I am not mad at how this turned out, but it's gotta go. I'm gonna take this off of my ear. Only smart decisions here. I already know the neck is gonna hurt, so I'm gonna do that first. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm screaming on the inside. No pain, no feel. No, that's my neck. Beautiful. I don't need a crown for people to know I'm a queen, but that hurts. Ow. Maybe I don't need to take the crown off. You know what? No, we're doing it. We're doing it. Ah! Okay, just kidding. That wasn't too bad. That is because all of the latex is still on my forehead. There you go. Now that's in my hair, but we don't need hair anyways. Okay, the hardest part's done. Now this. As scary as I may look right now, I like this shade of green. It's kind of cute. Well, hello, what's up, you little freaks? Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! And, well, you know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm gonna start by removing my contacts so I can actually see what I'm doing. Alright, I know this is like the Christmas present gone bad, but the more I look at it, the more I see a shoe because of the laces. So for some reason, I feel like a shoe gone bad right now, so let's take it off. Okay, there's only one way to go. I'll be quiet so you guys can enjoy the ASMR. Ow, ow. Okay, well, my eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's keep going. Didn't feel anything. Didn't hurt at all. I don't know what you're talking about. My eyes were watering so bad, the eyelash just fell off. Alright, now it's time to take the rest of this off. Once again, this is scarier than the original look. Because I just look crazy. But not anymore, because I took it all off, and you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here. And here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a flash water, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. It's really all about the eye on my hand. With my left hand was way more difficult than I expected. Wow. Now this one. Putting on contacts without moving my hands was probably one of the most difficult things I've done so far. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is Libra. I think I messed up my wig trying to make a bun. Oh well, I'll just brush it out later. Gemstone eyebrows. Ooh. Nice. They never come off in one piece like that, see? Well, good to know my eyebrows are still there. I literally couldn't even see these ones. Good thing I took my contacts off. Should have done it earlier though. I'm not even gonna try to wash this off. I'm just gonna go and shower. My eyes are slightly stained, but other than that, I am clean.